All right, we just got our package from John. We are gonna see how cool this is. Oh, we got some stickers. Look at that. Got our wiring harness all labeled. It looks like a mess, but it is way awesome compared to what I sent him. I sent him a nasty old wiring harness with a whole bunch of chops and extra wires and all kinds of junk. And we got our speedometer back. So there's a big piece of it. Oh snap, we got something cool. We got another, oh, we got another one. That one's cool. Oh, powered by, oh, we're definitely doing that one. That one's way better. Check that one out. That one's so cool. Should turn some light on in here. We got something else. What is this, John? What did you send me? Let's set this down. Dude, you guys gotta check this shit out. Look at this. The video doesn't really do it justice, but this huge banner. It wouldn't even fit on my counter. It was too long. I'm gonna put that up in the garage tonight. That is awesome. Thank you, John. That is so cool.
Okay guys, welcome back to our garage. I wanted to do a quick shout out to Mr. John Browne, who created our beautiful wiring harness for us. This is his, let's see if you can see that. And then we have this one here that says powered by ZukiFreek Garage. We're gonna put that one on the Jimny.
Fantastic job. This is, I cannot tell you guys, it still looks like a wiring harness, but it is beautiful compared to what we sent him.
Yep.
And thank you.
Yay.
That is freaking amazing.
We love it. Thank you. Are you ready to break? You want it out of here?
Yes.
You're trying to take these off?
Just the Innovate Motorsports one.
You need this.
Yeah.
What's Innovate?
That's the people that tuned this motor.
Good. Thank you. Oh yeah, I didn't even cut my hand off. Look at that. You got this, I believe in you.
Should I cover up this bushwhacker or are we good? It's gonna cover up significant. I just cover it up.
Yep.
Actually, I think I have another one of those bushwhacker stickers.
We don't have another Powered by Zook.
Nope, that one's kind of, I crookeded it a little too. You want me to try to peel it?
No.
Leave it?
Yep, for now. Good. Hi guys, welcome back to our garage. Today we want to send a shout out to Kyle at Fortune Off-Road for sending us some of these. Hold on, I got this book. Wait, what is this? We got these guys. These, you can see, and these guys. So we'll be putting this one on the Jimny today.
And we picked up this book right in front of your face. We picked up this book. They have them on Amazon. So if you have a J11 C or V 91 to 96, there's your book. They're on Amazon. They're like, I don't know, it was like 50 bucks or something, 60 bucks or something. But it's in English. So you got all your wiring diagrams, all the things. Hopefully that will help us. All right, let's get to it.
Here we go.
Here, so I'm gonna put it here, edged on the bottom. And let's see if we can get this bushwhacker off without ruining it. Probably should use the razor blade. I think I have another one of these somewhere.
I think so too.
Just left over from this bushwhacker sticker. There we go. I think I can put this one back on. What do you think? Nope, I stretch.
Is it?
No, it's coverage. Got it right.
Oops, sorry.
That's okay. Cool.
Thank you for watching our garage. Smash that subscribe button and we'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.